Christmas cooking can be stressful, but you don't have to go through stress when you have some tips in your arsenal. And an example of such tip is meal prepping your jollof base. You can make this ahead and put it in the freezer so that you're not having to do everything from scratch. Heat up some oil and fry your spices in it, then add your onions, let it fry till it's translucent, then go in with your tomato paste until it looks like this. Then you want to turn off the heat and then get your roasted peppers. This is optional, but it really helps the flavor, so you can roast your peppers, especially if you buy in bulk and freeze your peppers. Then you put them in your blender. I like squeezing out the garlic, and then I turn off the heat because this thing splashes a lot. Turning off the heat before adding the pepper mix will make sure it doesn't splash on me. So I turn off the heat, mix it, cover it, and then I turn the heat back on. And now you can see that everything is being contained and nothing is splashing on me. So at intervals, I'll reduce the heat, stir it, cover it again, reduce, stir, cover again until it stops splashing, and then I keep frying until it becomes a very, very thick paste. You don't have to fry yours to be this thick, but this helps the flavor. Just make sure it doesn't burn, and then it takes up less space in your freezer. So you can make this ahead and freeze it till you're ready to use it. That way you make your Christmas cooking easy. I'm on a weight loss journey, so I like to drain the oil and then I put this into small bowls. One bowl of this would cook 4 cups. So if you are using this to host, that means this made 6 bowls. So if you are using this to host and you're not putting it in meal prep bowls, you'll be able to cook 24 to 25 cups of rice with this. Hope you found this helpful. If you want the written recipe, you can find it on my blog. I'll put the details in my caption and I'll also put the measurements in the description box.